Yeah, this bird, I see him on a tree. So I take out some feed and him just fly down and eat it and then fly right back. And that tree for around half an hour, then him go in a taller tree. Then I get some more feed and take it out. Have feed in my hand and I see him fly down back again and him just dead and now move. He might eat still, you know. So fly down to my hand. Him now move none at all. So I don't know where I'm depend. But that ball plate, them bird don't really touch foot, not touch ground. They don't really pitch pan ground. So when them just so low, it might be, but not really happen to him because I'm look fit. But it might be young though. A nice bird, man. Nice ball plate, see there? Can go up and near to him. So I'm not afraid. See it? Nice bird. So what I do now is like, I don't get a box and see if I could put him in the board. I just let him go. I just make him do him thing, you see me?